Today we can continue algebraic expressions, the multiplication of polynomials. Then how can we multiply a monomial by a monomial? Okay, so exercise 9.2, question number 4. Then there we can see how can we find the volume of a rectangular box. That means how can we find the volume of a cuboid? So the formula you know, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So here we can see three monomials that we can consider as length, breadth and height, and by multiply we can say find the volume. So now question number 2. We have completed question number 1 in last class. So question number 2. Here the values 2p, then 4q and 8r. So how can we find the volume? By multiplying these three. So volume is equal to 2p into 4q into 8r. So the numbers we can multiply 2 times 4, 8, 8 times 8, 64. Then pqr, by multiply we can write it as 64 pqr. So that is the answer. Now the third question. Question number 3. The monomials are this way: xy, 2x square y and 2xy square. Okay, now also we can find the volume by multiply xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So these 2 times 2, 4, and x here 1 plus 2, 3 plus x 1. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So x to the power 4. X 4 ഉണ്ട്, y അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ 1 and here 1 more 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 and 2, 4. So y is also 4. Total എത്ര x ഉണ്ടെന്നും എത്ര y ഉണ്ടെന്നും നോക്കണം. x 4 ഉം y ഉം 4. So answer is 4, x to the power 4, y to the power 4. So the fourth question. Fourth one, here a, 2b and 3c. So volume, അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് a എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് length, 2b breadth, 3c height, that way you think. So volume is L into b into h. So a into 2b into 3c, that is 2 times 3, 6 and ABC. So 6ABC is the answer. So this way we can find the volume of a cuboid. So we over. Then question number 4. The next one, question number 5, we can see find product of the given monomials. Okay, there also we can see 3 monomials. Then how can we multiply and find the product? Then first one, exercise 9.2, main question number 5 from the first one. Then xy, yz and zx. So we can multiply xy into yz into zx. Okay, this into symbol x confusion agirudhu. So total how many x is there? 1 and 2. x2 under, so x square. Y is also 2, so y square, and z is also 2z is there. So answer is x square plus x square into y square into z square. X to the power 1 and x to the power 1, so total x to the power 2. Then y to the power 1 and y to the power 1, so y to the power 2. Z to the power 1 and z to the power 1, so z to the power 2. So answer x square, y square, z square. Now the second question. A into minus a square into a cube. So that minus is there. So you give minus and a to the power 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So minus a to the power 6 is the answer. Minus a to the power 6. Now third question. 2 then 4y, 2 times 4y times 8y square times 16y cube. So we can multiply this 2 times 4, 8, 8 times 8, 64. So 64 times 16. First we multiply 64 times 16. That is 1416. Okay, so 4. Then here 6 4 24, then 2, 6 6 36 plus 2, that is 38. So here one change, so 38, and this one 6 1 time 4 4 and 1 time 6 6. Okay, so we can add 4, 8 plus 4 12, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. So 1024. അപ്പോൾ നമ്പർ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ 1024 വന്നു. പിന്നെ y here 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 3 6. So 1024 y to the power 6 is the answer. Okay, so question number 4th one. The a times 2b times 3c times 6abc. Okay, so we can multiply 2 times 3 6, 6 times 6 36, and a here 1 and here one more a, so a to the power 2, and b here 1 and here one more, so b square, and c is also the same way, c square. So answer is 36a square b square c square. Now the fifth one. Fifth one. M times minus mn times mnp. Okay, so that minus symbol first we can give. So positive into positive. അപ്പോൾ നെഗറ്റീവ് തന്നെ വരും, സൈൻ നെഗറ്റീവ്. Then m എത്രയുണ്ടെന്ന് നോക്കണം. Here 1, here one more, and here also. So total m to the power 3. And n നോക്കിയാൽ here 1 and here one more, so only 2, n square. Then p, then only 1 p is there. So the answer is minus m cube n square p. അതാണ് ആൻസർ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇത് മോണോമിയൽ ബൈ മോണോമിയൽ ആണ്. 3 മോണോമിയൽസിൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി അതിനകത്ത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് വരുന്നത്, സോ എക്സസൈസ് 9.2 കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയി. എക്സസൈസ് 9.2 എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും നമ്മൾ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. അതായത് മോണോമിയലിനെ മോണോമിയൽ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് വി ക്യാൻ സ്റ്റഡി the multiplication of monomial by a binomial or binomial by a binomial. That way different type of multiplications we can see in next class. Okay.